Hi, Miss Irene. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, I'm Sarin Hopkey Valerio. I'm 29 years old. I live in Katangawan, General Santos City, and I am a married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have three kids. The age of my kids is 5 years old, 7 years old, and 2 years old.
Who will take care of your children if you come to Hong Kong?
My husband and my mother.
How many siblings do you have?
I have eight siblings, three brothers and five sisters, and I am a fourth in my family.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am a college graduate.
Do you have overseas experience?
No, but I have experience here in Philippines with a one couple. I have a one son, 12 years old. I did household chores, ironing, cooking, and also uh, washing.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes,
How would you describe yourself?
I am flexible to work and I am honest.
Do you have any tattoo?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no,
Why do you want to go abroad?
for my future and for my future of my son.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes.
Could you sing me a nursery song?
The wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus go round and round, all to the town.
Are you scared of cat or dogs?
No,
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
I will hug him and talk to him calm.
Say something to your future employer to hire you.
To my future employer, I will do my best and I will treat you like a family. Thank you.